guys, welcome back to Drive Vault. This is the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. And let me just say it, this doesn't look like a motorhome. It looks like a spaceship that landed in a luxury showroom, and it's about to change the way we think about traveling on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road in style, buckle up, because Mercedes might have just built the ultimate machine for adventure and comfort. Take one look at it, and you know this isn't your typical RV. The front end is pure futuristic drama, a sweeping panoramic windshield that wraps around like the visor of a space helmet, razor-sharp LED lights that run across the nose, and those sculpted angles that make it look like it's slicing through the air even while parked. And check out those massive multi-axle wheels. This thing sits so low and wide, it's less like a motorhome and more like a rolling fortress of luxury. Now, Mercedes didn't just go big on looks. They engineered this thing to drive like nothing else on the road. We're talking adaptive, air suspension that glides over bumps, rear-wheel steering that makes tight turns way less stressful, and stability tech that keeps it planted even when crosswinds hit. This isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about arriving there with total confidence, whether you're pulling into a luxury resort or parking on a quiet mountainside. Under the skin, Mercedes is keeping things flexible. Expect near-silent electric drive that gives you instant torque and whisper-quiet cruising. No clunky gears, no noisy generator, just smooth power. On longer trips, there's likely a smart hybrid system to extend your range, so you don't need to worry about charging every night. Imagine rolling out of camp before sunrise, the whole world still asleep, and this giant machine glides away, almost silently. That's the kind of luxury you can't put a price on. But let's be honest, the real magic of a motorhome is on the inside, and Mercedes knows how to do interiors. Step through the door, and suddenly you're in what feels like a rolling penthouse. Picture soft leather lounges that swivel and stretch into daybeds, a 65-inch cinema screen that drops from the ceiling, and glass panels that turn from clear to private at the touch of a button. Even the skylight above your head can open up the night sky, so you can fall asleep under the stars without leaving your seat. The cockpit is pure tech theater. A curved panoramic display stretches across the dash, running the latest MBUX system with voice commands that actually make sense. Tell it where you want to go, and it plans the route with scenic stops that can actually fit a motorhome this size. And when you're parking, a 360-degree camera shows every angle, and the auto-leveling system makes sure the coach sits perfectly flat, even if your campsite doesn't. And wait until you hear about the kitchen. This isn't a cramped galley. This is a full luxury setup. Sleek induction cooktop, convection oven, a tall fridge that can handle real groceries, and smart storage that locks while you're driving. There's even a slide-out coffee station, because Mercedes knows mornings on the road should start right. Head toward the back, and the bedroom is like a boutique hotel suite. You get a full bed, ambient lighting, windows that go clear or private instantly, and a wardrobe that lights up when you open it. The bathroom? Spa vibes. A rainfall shower, teak-style floor, real counter space, and a backlit mirror that makes you look like you actually got 8 hours of sleep. Mercedes also thought about the little details that make travel better. Heated floors for chilly mornings, zoned climate control that's quiet and efficient, voice scenes that change the lighting and music with a single phrase, say, evening mode, and the whole cabin transforms. There's even a pet comfort mode to keep your furry co-pilot safe and happy while you're away from the rig. Connectivity is dialed in too. Built-in 5G, campsite-wide Wi-Fi, solar panels feeding the battery, and an app that lets you check water, power, and temperature from anywhere. If you're working on the road, there's a hidden desk, noise-reducing panels, and even privacy. Shutters for video calls. Basically, it's a home office with a better view than any skyscraper. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's it going to cost? Well, all this luxury doesn't come cheap. Early estimates put the starting price in the mid-six figures, somewhere around $600,000 for a base version. But with all the extras, extended battery, premium materials, second-level lounge packages, you're looking closer to $1 million or more. Yes, it's a serious investment. But if you think about the years of travel, the memories, the freedom of the road without compromise, for the right buyer, it makes sense. So is the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome the best upcoming RV of the year? Honestly, it just might be. The design turns heads, the driving tech makes road trips feel effortless, and the interior sets a new standard for how good life on the road can get. It's not just a motorhome, it's a luxury lifestyle on wheels. Now here's the fun part. Where would you take this beast on its very first trip? The mountains? The coast? Maybe a hidden lake under the stars? Drop your dream destination in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look at the future of motorhomes, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic rides, and I'll see you in the next adventure.